Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will learn how to write the code. So let's start it. So first of all, you need to open your Anaconda, and there we will find the Jupyter. Launch from there. It will load, might take a few seconds, and here we will open the Jupyter notebook for writing a code. In Jupyter notebook, as I told you, there is built-in Python impiler. So the ipynb is the Python file, so we will click it and it will open like this. So here, why first of all why we use Python, it's because there are many languages, C++ and Java and many others, but we use Python because it is more flexible and it is easy to use. In Java and C++ you write 1,000 lines of code, and then while in Python you just write few lines and that is working the same. So there are many built-in functions in Python and libraries you can visualize in Python, like make a graph or charts like this. So there are a lot of features in this, that's why we use Python, and it's very easy to understand. So first of all, we will learn what is variable. So I give it a heading. I told you that markdown is used for heading, yeah. So I write here variable. I can make this big or small by adding this hash. So variable is like, suppose you have one box and that name, the box name is A, and you put something in the box. So when you write the name of the box, it will show you the inside items what you have put in the box. So it's the same as variable. And suppose I write A and I put A is a variable and I put something, like suppose I put 100 in this, yeah. So when I run this, when I run it and I write A, it will show me 100. Why? It's because I make a variable with a name of A and I put 100 in that. So whenever I click A, write A, it will give me the result 100 as output. So this is called variable. And now I can write anything in this, like you can write point or something. Usually in Python this is called integer, like because this is 1 2 3 in that format, that's why it is integer. This is called float when there is a point decimal. So it is known as a float in the computer world, or you can say in the language usually. So if I run this and I write again A, it will give me this. Why it not give me this? Because this was the latest I have run, so the computer will look from the latest updated, because this A was updated with this name here, so it show me this result, not 100. That's why. So this is variable. Now I can also write, like suppose I write my name and then I write A. You see, it show me this one result because it's updated, but this name is not defined here. It means that there is a mistake. That is why the Python is very good. It can tell you what mistake you have done, like the name A, the name Khan is not defined. So to define this, we need to put string here, like 2 strings. These are called a string. You can also write like one string in on one side and the other side like this, and like this is also fine, but mostly people use for string double, like this one. And you can write, if I run this now and I write A again, now it show me my name. Why? It's because before it was not correct, so the computer did not pick that and it go to this one, the last one, which was successfully run. so that output it give me. But now when I correct it and I put the strings here, so it show me the name. The output will be shown always in single string. The computer will give you in the result in single, no matter if you put 3. Suppose let's try you put in this way, so you see it's the same. So it means that you can add double string on each side, it doesn't matter. But usually to make a program clean and look better and beautiful in coding, so we use double for strings. So we can also now check this this type, or what kind of type is it. If we want to check it, we usually write type function, which is built in. It will show me it is a string. Yeah, if I write here, suppose I write here 100. Yeah, so you see here this computer picked this Khan up because the last one I have successfully printed was this one, so that's why it go up and it show me in A. If I give A is equal to 100 and then I put again A is equal to, it will come again the 100. It's because I start from the upper cell, so it will come down like this in this form and it will execute. So if I read this variable and it show me 100, and if I want to see the type of this variable, I will write type type and I will put the variable name, any variable I have, or you save it, you can write that name. It show me it is integer because 100 is an integer, so it show me integer. Now I run it again, suppose these cells, so it will again the same. You see here 15, 16, 17, 19, 21, it show me the sequence of when every time I run the cells, so it should be from 1 2 3 4 5, but I have again edited it many times, that's why the sequence is not correct. I can make it restart and run all, so the computer will restart one by one. You see here now it show 1 2 3 4 8 like this. So in this way we can check the type of the variable, the A variable. Now there is a function in the Python. There are many functions actually which is built in. So this function is made by the scientist or the computer scientist who have written 1,000 lines of codes, and then they make this print function. Whenever they make it easy for us, so whenever I put a variable name A in here, the print, it will show me the same result like this. It work the same, either you want to print it like so. You see now with the print it will not show me the single string. Yeah, so here it will show me, I can write here anything now in the print. My name is Khan. Now when I run it, it will show me the same sentence. You see, so this print function is used to display you whatever you want exactly to display on the screen. So it will, but in this one you have to put variable name first and then write the variable name. When you create variable, then write a variable, it will show you the variable item or element which we have right inside. So in this way we can write like this. So I can do also some mathematics with the Python, like suppose I write A is equal to 23, or and I run and I make B is equal to 33, and if I want to see a multiply b, so it will give me 759. It means computer multiply these two, like I have give here the command, yeah, the code. Either I can write this, or I can also write print, and I can write inside in this, so it will show me the same, you see here. So the computer, I have write that print to me a multiply b, the answer of that. So the computer give me a display is in this form. I can also like divide, I can also do division with this print, and I can write inside in the parenthesis whatever I want by b. So that is the answer of this. In this way it work usually. So suppose I want to make a variable c, and I want to write integer plus my name, and when I write, you see it do not work. When I run the code, it usually do not work. It's because either you have to add integer with an integer with one, that one is an integer, then it will work. Either you have put two strings, like this is a string, so you can add the same format. So if I put here 1 and I write here print to me the value of c, the computer will give me 2 in this way. What if I write like d is equal to 1 plus 1 plus my name? So in this condition I want to make this 1 with my name. The only way will be that when I use like this as a string, because this is string suppose, so I need to change it into string. So I will write string and I will put this in the parenthesis, and then I will run this. Now I will print the d, now it will show me 1 hand, you see. So the thing is that integer cannot be added with a string unless you have put the integer or change it into string. So the string plus string it will show you, or integer plus integer, the operations like plus, minus, multiply, division operation, these are operations. When you want to do it should be in the same format. That's why now it is working. So now we will see like to write something in the print. If I write anything, suppose what is your age, yeah, or I can also write many things like this. My age is 24, and I print. So you see it show me. So here I have write 2 sentences. Either I can make it in one, if I want I can make it like this also, it will show me the same. But what I have written in here, this will only show me all the words same to same. The print function, it will give me the output of that. So this is about the strings, and to find the type of strings, how to do the operations like multiply and division or something like this. So in Python, that is why it is very easy that you can make a variable, and suppose if a variable name is h and it's so big numbers, yeah, and z is suppose is also like this. So if I want to multiply these two, so the computer will give me the result of this in very fast way, in just few seconds. So this was all about the print and the strings. So later we will see about the input function, as there are many functions in Python, and these are the basics. You should have to know about this, how we do the coding with this, so it will be used again and again. And when you see the code, you will see like when you see it, you can say this is a string, and yeah, why it come and how this comes. So it's easy to understand, and I think this is very easy. Everyone can do, even a small kid can do if you practice like 20 minutes. I think if you today practice like in the same way, I think you will understand your all doubts. And if you want to try different thing, like one other thing, the variable name, if I write 1a is equal to 5, it will not work, because the computer will only understand the ABC should be first and the digit should be the next, the variable here. You see, before I have write here 1 or I write 33, so this is wrong. The computer will not read it. You make a variable like this, but variable 33 343a, the variable name, which inside have 4 I have saved, suppose. So the computer will not read it, because this syntax is wrong. So when I click, it shows invalid syntax, and it give me an arrow up that the error is in this area. So this is the beauty of Python, that it show you exactly where is the error. But if I write 343 here, it will work. If I write print, I have told you it is used to show me the display, like what variable the variable have which item or which digit or element inside. So it's 4, because it show me 4, I have saved this 4 in this variable. So when I write print me the answer of this variable, so the computer show me 4, that it is saved in that name. So in this way, this all work, like the strings and these built-in functions. There are many others. We will learn the input function in the next video, which is very fun, I think, because in that you are talking and computer is talking with you in the input function. So you will enjoy that more. So till that time, you practice and have a good day. Thank you.